Installing Superflow with Svelte is super easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Superflow with Svelte. To start off, go to the onboarding flow and click on Install Code Snippet yourself. Next, since we're setting up a Svelte app, click on npm. After that, enter the website URL where you're going to deploy. Next, be sure to also add an additional staging URL for your local host. You will now have a couple of instructions to add. I'm going to go to my VS Code where I have a fresh Svelte app loaded up. Next, I'm going to go and copy the first code snippet, which is to install the Superflow package. In my terminal, I'm going to paste that snippet to install Superflow to my Svelte project. Next, I'm going to copy the second code snippet, which is to import Superflow to the root level of my app. Now in VS Code, I'm going to go to page.ts under routes under source. This is the root of my app. So I'm going to paste this import code right at the top. Next, I'm going to copy the third line, which is going to initialize Superflow. Back in my VS Code, I'm going to paste this right under where I pasted the previous snippet. And that's all I have to do to set up my Svelte app with Superflow. So now if I save and type npm run dev, I can go to localhost 5173 to see my live Svelte app with the Superflow toolbar installed. Be sure to have review equals true at the top of your URL, otherwise the toolbar will not show up. So now that I have Superflow installed, what can I do? Well, I can leave a comment on any element in the page. I can also highlight some text and leave a comment that way. And I can also draw a box and make a comment that way. And that is how you install Superflow with Svelte.